Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix HubSpot CMS login problems, permission and access errors step by step clearly. To begin resolving HubSpot CMS login problems, first, ensure you are using the correct login credentials. Check your username and password for any typos or errors. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot My Password link to initiate a reset. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and reliable. If your connection is fine, clear your browser cache and cookies, which can sometimes resolve access issues. After clearing the cache, try to log in again. If the problem persists, verify that your account is active and not suspended. Contact your administrator if you suspect your account might be restricted. Verify that your user permissions are correctly set within HubSpot. Access the Users and Teams section from the main dashboard to review your permissions. Ensure you have the necessary access rights for the features you are attempting to use. If you do not have the correct permissions, reach out to your HubSpot administrator for assistance. Sometimes, browser compatibility can cause login issues, so try using a different browser. If you are using a VPN, disable it, as it may interfere with HubSpot access. Lastly, check HubSpot's status page for any ongoing outages or issues that could affect login. Following these steps should help you resolve HubSpot CMS login problems related to permissions and access errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.